everyone. Today we're going to be showing you the Epic Patty Cake song, and if you haven't heard it before, it's by a guy called Kurt Hugo Schneider. I think that's how you say it, and he's an awesome YouTuber, and he does posts lots of videos online, and one of the songs he does is called I'll Think of You, and he calls it the Epic Patty Cake song. You can buy it off Google Play or Spotify. He also sings it with a guy called Sam Sui, Tsui. Yeah, but it's really cool. So I've printed out the words so I can have a look. So
thanks, poster.
The poster just fell down. Oh. Blue tack's not working for us at the moment. Hang on, oh, over there. So we're going to do the tutorial for you. Okay, so I'm just going to teach Jade how to do it. We're going to do it a little bit different to the video because the actual video is, it's really fast, but there's one movement that's a little bit hard to get. So I'll just show you. Will I say hello? Hello. Oh, yeah, not hello. Okay. All right, so Jade. Okay, so to start with, Jade, we have to go clap. So we go clap, right, clap, left, clap, clap, back, front. So again, that's clap, right, clap, left, clap, clap, back, front. Okay, so the next move is, stop it, Willow, come over here, darling, is you go clap, right, left, then you hit your side, click, front, back. Now what they do is they do the patty cake, no, like that, and then they go back to the start again, but
Willow
Willow
loves a flower toy.
But I clap instead of doing that because I think that's easier. So try it again, Jane. Okay, ready? We go clap, right, clap, left, clap, clap, back, front, clap, right, left, side, click, front, back, clap. So I'm going to do it a bit slower for you now. Okay, so we say bye to Jade. Bye. Say bye. Take the dog. Hi everyone. Okay, I'm back. Willow decided she didn't want to go. Now she's playing with an octopus. Lucky we've got lots of stuffed animals. Okay, so what I should do first is I'm just going to play a little snippet of that track so that you can hear how fast the song actually goes. So I'm going to do that here.
I'll think of you as I go, so when I leave, you're not alone, and no matter where we are, we will never be that far, 'cause I will think of you as I go.
Okay, I'm going to sing along to the clapping at a slower pace than what they do because they're very fast. I'll think of you as I go, so when I leave, you're not alone, and no matter where you are, we will never be that far, 'cause I will think of you as I go. I'll think of you as I dream, so when it's dark, you'll be with me, and no matter where we are, we can look up to the stars, and I will think of you as I dream. Practice that little bit. Again, it goes clap, right, clap, left, clap, clap, back, front, clap, right, left, down, click, cross, cross, clap. All right, take care everyone. See ya until the next video.